Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rasheed Philips, and I've teamed up with my amazing friends over at Kingsford, Home Depot, and Masterbuilt to bring you brand new grilling techniques to help you master your flavors. So today's technique focuses on grilling, which is cooking over direct heat, roughly 350 to 400 degrees. So today, we're going to be focusing on making one of my favorite recipes, my own take on Nashville hot chicken. The prep for this recipe actually starts the night before with a brine. Now, I've brined this chicken, and a brine is just an infusion of flavor that you do in a liquid that allows your chicken to get moist and flavorful for the cook ahead. Once your chicken is done brining, pat it dry. Now, we're gonna cover these thighs with sriracha as our binder. Load in with some Kingsford charcoal. I'm gonna light my grill and then set my temperature to 375 degrees. To build on the flavor, we're gonna coat with red pepper flakes, cayenne, and onion powder. We're going to be grilling at 375 degrees, turning our chicken as needed. We're really looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. To allow our chicken to retain the most moisture, we're going to let it rest for roughly 5 minutes while we prepare our sauce. Let's build our sandwich. My favorite part of the grilling process, it's time to take a bite. We're getting so many flavors coming through for this sandwich. Moisture from our brine, getting that amazing hint of charcoal from our Kingsford coal that we use throughout the entire cook. It's an amazing flavor, so rich. It's definitely something you have to try. Make sure you head over to Home Depot to pick up your bag of Kingsford charcoal along with a Masterbuilt Gravity Series smoker. See you guys next time, and more episodes and more to come this season on Smoke Sessions.